Do you want to save countless hours feeling lost and confused? Wouldn't it be nice to have code tested and proven without a lot of work? Do you want code that you can learn from that is written by the best of the best? Let me introduce you to the massive list. Hundreds of free iOS programming resources in this free ebook. This ebook includes free code from the most popular iOS open source libraries, including animation, effects, data handling, layout, images, icons, navigation, payments, and who doesn't want to get paid, debugging, maps, sound and audio, notifications, analytics, code patterns, authentication, ARKit, blockchain, code quality, Bluetooth, camera, photo editing, machine learning, GIF, messaging, and so much more. Again, that's hundreds of free iOS open source libraries, top quality libraries linked in this one ebook. Go to Sagan.one/free now for your massive list free ebook with hundreds and hundreds of top quality resources.